Hey guys, welcome to the demo video of Vidsnatcher 2.0. After the success of Vidsnatcher 1.0, we happily introduce you Vidsnatcher 2.0. In this video, we will learn about all the features of Vidsnatcher 2.0. So let's get started. Let's just go ahead and log in inside Vidsnatcher 2. As you can see, Vidsnatcher 2 has a whole new look and feel. As you can see, there are ready-made sizes available, YouTube standard videos, Facebook cover videos, Instagram stories, and there are a lot of new done-for-you templates available to get you started right away. We can either go and create video from the scratch right from here, or you can select a template and get started with that. So let me just show you. If we select a template right from here, it will take a few seconds to load up the templates, and it's ready. As you can see, now you can play it.
Time. So many weddings have been postponed.
All the layers and images have been added as well, and the template is ready for you. Modify it as you want, and you can directly export it. Let's just go ahead and create a new project and create from the scratch. Alright, so this is the editor of Vidsnatcher 2. You can start with importing media right here. As you can see, you can directly add a image or right away with the single click. Once the media are loaded on your left media panel, you can go ahead and drag it onto your open canvas to get started.
If you're looking for professional, reliable, and affordable local.
Okay, so as you can see, when I dragged it, you have a extensive timeline, just like Camtasia. You can drag your elements right over here, and you can change the layers as well. You can add multiple objects on a single layer, and you can adjust the positioning and stuff like that onto your layers,
bathroom,
just like that.
Tile, dusting to glass.
Okay, so you can also change some settings right on the right panel, which are project settings. You can change the canvas size to whatever you like. You can change the canvas to custom if you set it to custom, and you can change the canvas color to whatever you want, just like that. Alright, some more features are there. These are some built-in icons and animated icons as well that can be used. There are some features to add text as well. You can directly add text by writing something right here, text, and you can also translate it to any language you want. I can translate to Arabic, just like that. And I click add text, and it will be added right here, as you can see, just like that. And when I need to add more text, I can just click add new text and right here and press this button to add more text. So there are some options to add basic shapes. There are options to add some animations to a object, just like that. You can go ahead and select a transition from, let's say, these are the in effects, the in tweens. So if I apply this will be applied right here, and it will reflect on the timeline as well. I can lock the layers and hide the layers as well. I can move the layers up and down as well. Then we have some features like background musics. There are built-in background musics that you can add right from here just with a single click. And there's a great feature that is called the text-to-speech feature. There are a lot of built-in scripts as well inside this feature. You can use those scripts right from here with a single click, and translate it to any language you want, and then choose a voice type, a language, a gender, and then an accent. So we write it right. Is your dog happy? Okay.
Our team can do it all. If you want to.
Okay, so let's just go ahead and select this and get some voices of United Kingdom, male, and in English. So I will hit search voices. Alright, so we have two voices. We can listen to these.
Is your dog happy?
So I'm just gonna go ahead and add this to my media library. Okay, so once I added it to my media library, as you can see, it has created a MP3 file that I can put.
Our company is bonded and
Is your dog
insured.
happy?
And our
Okay, so just like that, you can use media timelines, the text-to-speech feature, and add it to your media panel and use it into your timeline and project. Then we have some exciting features like import media resources from Pexels and Pixabay. You can search for any image you want right from here with a single click. You can add. As you can see, it brings me a lot of images right away. Similarly, you can search for videos with a similar keyword like cats, and it will search you a lot of videos right from Pexels to be used into your project. And then we have another exciting feature that is a screenshot capture. You can just enter any URL right here, like HTTPS, like www.google.com, and it will, as you can see, it got just the screenshot, and we can do some editing on it as well, just like that. We can add markers to it and whatever you like, and after you're done, you can add it to your media library, and it will be added inside your media library. So this is how the image editor works. After you are done with the project, you can save your project with a single click, like just like that. You enter the project name, all the projects will be saved to the cloud, and after you're done saving your project, let's just save this project like test. Alright, so the project has been saved. You can also split, let me just bring it on the top, split the media into half just like that, and you can also separate audio from the video. Okay, so this is quite simple, and so you can do that with just simple clicks. Let's just go ahead and delete all this stuff, and let me show you another feature which is called record voiceover. You can record your voiceover with a single click. Just press the record button and it will start recording. So I'm already recording, so it will interrupt with this record over voiceover feature, so I won't be doing that, but you can record it right from here, and you can also record your screen as well with your screen recording or webcam recording or screen plus webcam recording. So you can do all this with simple built-in Vidsnatcher screen recorder by pressing start recording button right from here. So it will start recording once you do it, and after the recording is done, it will be added into your media panel on the left side right here. And there's another exciting feature that is called share. So when you have saved your project, you can share a media right from here with simple subject, and it will generate a unique shareable link that you can use anywhere, and it will preview that video for you just like that. As you can see, it's previewing you that image, that video that you wanted. So this is the shared content feature. Okay, so moving on, there is a new exciting feature that is called mobile uploads. So when I open Vidsnatcher in my mobile, let me just show you. Okay, so when I use Vidsnatcher, I open the vidsnatcher.com on my mobile phone, and this is what will open, and I can record the video and upload the video at the same time from my mobile phone. And once the recording is done, it will automatically reflect here into your mobile uploads. The video will be available to be used inside your mobile uploads, but just pressing this refresh button, you can sync your mobile videos, mobile uploaded videos right into Vidsnatcher 2.0. So this was it for Vidsnatcher. There's another exciting feature which is called the green screen removal tool. Just go ahead and hit remove green screen button right here after selecting the green screen video that you want to use, and select then you can pick the color with the color picker right from here. Just like that, I've selected this color right here, and I can add a background to it, and if I leave this option without changing, it will make it a transparent video that I can use later on inside my timeline. But for this video, I'm just gonna go ahead and add a background image. Alright, so after I'm done, I'm just gonna move it and change some settings to it and apply changes to see the effect, how it looks. Alright, so it looks pretty good. You can also see some edges right here, so you can change these settings to make it look better. You can change these settings to refine the edges, and once it's done, you can just go ahead and click save changes, and it will remove the green screen for you in a couple of minutes. Alright, so the background has been removed and it's added onto your left media panel, and let's just drag it onto the canvas and preview it.
If you're looking for professional,
As you
reliable.
can see, this was pretty easy to do with Vidsnatcher 2.0. So you can see Vidsnatcher 2.0 is jam-packed with a lot of features and power, and all this is on cloud, so you can access it anywhere in the world with a stable internet connection, unlike those Camtasias and other products that need to be installed onto your hard drive. Vidsnatcher 2.0 is completely cloud-based. Your projects are being saved on the cloud as well. So after you're satisfied with your project, just go ahead and hit export button to export your video. And we have another great feature, which is that you don't have to sit around and wait for the export to be done. It will be put in queue, and the progress can be shown in my videos tab. As you can see, it's processing. It will start the progress bar in a few seconds. As you can see, it has already started rendering your video. And you can also close this tab, or even shut down your computer. We will email you once the video has been rendered, as this is a server-side render, so you don't have to wait and watch your video being rendered. So you can also work on new project as well, but the video rendering will be continued in the backside. So this was it for Vidsnatcher 2.0. I hope you guys liked all the features inside Vidsnatcher 2. Some really powerful features are embedded into Vidsnatcher 2. So thank you for watching this video. Bye.